How to find your TikTok live stream key. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. In the search bar, search for Streamlabs. Head over to this application. Well, you need to download this application on a device. And once it has been downloaded, click on Open. Tap on Next. You can skip this part. Tap on While using the app. Once you are in here, click on this three line at the top left corner. And then head over to Account Settings. Right here, move into TikTok. It will open up this interface. Tap on Not Now. Now you need to log into your TikTok account using the Facebook, Google, Twitter account or the Apple ID. Once you are logged into your account on Streamlabs, you will be able to see your live stream key, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can get TikTok live stream key. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.